Hi guys, we're going to do this pattern which I've already done before. Long time ago I watched myself work on it and apparently I totally butchered the name. Looked it up this time. Reencuentro by Carlos Cano. The word means reunion. So I'm going to do this one. And on my previous one, I'd done like 3 different varieties on one tile. This time I'm just going to do one simple one right in the middle, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. So, step 1 on this one, you're supposed to do a dot with another smaller one inside. I didn't do that last time. I just did the dot without the little one inside, but maybe this time I'll do the little one inside. Then you do this sort of swirl. So you do 5 dots, 4 in the corners and 1 in the middle. Do this swirl. Do this part, and I know that on my previous video, apparently, I was not paying attention to what was going on and I was like way over here while I was explaining it, so you don't see a dang thing. Sorry about that. And then you come out of here and come up to a pointy V and down. So you make these pointy V's. And then you can make this sort of petal-y shape coming out of there. And it can be like this, or like that, or you can see the different variations that I did on my previous video. I did all sorts of things. So let's turn on a light. And I'm just going to do one on this really small tile. I don't know what size tile this is. It's about 2 3/4 square. Might be not square, I'm not sure. Let's just, I'm going to put some dots. I'm not going to go all the way to the edge because I need room to do the little petal things. But that's good like that. Okay. So, let's give this a start. Whew, I am hot. I may have to turn on the air conditioning. It's going to be well over 100 today. And we have like 80% humidity this morning. So, ugh. Okay. There's my dots. I want a swirl to come out and around, out and around, out and around. Doesn't matter whether you're going right or left, just as long as all your swirls are going the same direction. Like that. And then I want a pointy bit coming from here and to there. And I do think I did make it a little big. So there's that part, and that would be a good base to some other tangle. You could just leave it at that and just play, you know, just do some CPT starting with this as a base pattern. We may want to do that and call this Reencuentro base and start with this and then expand outward, doing a variety of other things besides the petal shapes. The petal shapes would come like out of here. Let me do it with my pencil because I think I'm going to do something different because I got really close to the edge, so I don't have room for a petal, but the petal shape would come out of here here like this. But I don't have room for it because I got a bit carried away with my drawing here. I'm too close to the edge. I don't have room for it. So I'm just going to use this as a base. You can watch my other video to show how I did the petally things. And let's use, let's do this as a technique. It's one of the feathering type techniques. Instead of rounded, I'm doing it more of a like a bat wing shape. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with the same numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One, two. I like that sort of bat wing shape. That's an interesting shape. So I'm going to do it again over this way. Maybe. Should I? What should I do? Help me, people, help me. I'm going to do it in pencil just to look and see what it looks like. If I don't like it, yeah, I do like it. Okay. Wasn't sure if I was going to like it. So if you're not sure, go ahead and draw a little bit of a sample in pencil. I've sort of gone aquatic, sort of fish-like, with the blue paper and these kind of weird fin-like featherings. I do think I want something coming up this way. That. And then I think I want something coming from the middle, but I'm not sure. What I want there. So let me think. Yeah, okay. I'm going to do that. It's going to come down and around like that. Down and around like this. That did not flow the same as the others. That's okay. They don't have to, do they? No, they don't. Okay, and then I want I'm going to use my gray marker. One of my grays. Which one? This one. Faber Castell Pitt Cold Gray number 1V233. It will look blue on this page, but that's okay. That's oh, I am definitely gonna have to turn the air on. That's cool because it looks really gray. This way, right? I maybe should have done it with pencil instead of pen, so it would blend better, but whatever. That's my motto. Whatever. Can't take it too seriously. You gotta just kind of go with the flow. Just remember, at the end of the day, it's a little bit of ink and a piece of paper. And if you don't like it, it's okay. You don't have to. You can do something else. Change it up. Going to do a little bit of the dark in here. And then smudge it. And then, of course, on a blue page, gotta do some white highlights. So that's coming. You know that. Right? Okay, something like this, and white pencil. Okay. Whoa. Lightning. Okay, I'm expecting the thunder now. And then I think A little bit here. I didn't get any thunder. I'm surprised. That was a pretty good flash of lightning. I do need to, as soon as I finish with this drawing, I do need to stop and look on my husband's biking app and check his GPS and find out where he is. He said he'd be home around 9 o'clock and it's 9:30, so he's not home yet. I need to know if he's still on the road or if he needs some help. He was biking with friends, so he wasn't by himself, but let me check that out. Oh, isn't that pretty? Alright, so see, you don't have to follow the pattern. Just start, and if you get to a point where you like the base as it is without completing it the way the pattern shows, just go for it, you know? I'm going to do a little white, like really highlight it. I want to really get some really bright highlights. Like that. Yes, yes, I like that. Okay, let me spell this. I'm going to actually sign it in the white, which I don't usually do. And Reencuentro. Reencuentro. Reunion. We're planning a sort of a reunion, but I can't say much about it yet. We don't have all the details, but when I have the details, I can let you know. All right, you guys have a great day. Do something nice for someone today. I will see you on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone. Make the world a better place, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.